Here's the layout as seen on the diagram. The direction of the angle bar runs towards the right side of the car. First, install the ends onto the shifter lever. I've already put some grease onto the bolt to prevent it from rusting. As you can see, the rubber boot of the shifter is broken, might as well as the bushings inside. That can also add sloppiness to your shifter. Next time, I will be creating a video on how to fix it, so stay tuned about that. Tighten it snug. After that, I tried fitting it but I realized that the bolt was too long. It can cause some rubbing issues under engine vibration. I decided to cut it using a metal saw. You can also use an angle grinder to hasten the process. Now that I've removed the extra piece of metal, I use a metal file to remove some sharp ends. Now that the ends are smooth, put some grease to prevent it from rusting. Don't forget to insert the rubber boot before installing the shifter linkage. Try to partially insert that lock pin. When it grabs a bit, use a hammer to push it upwards. You can use a punch tool to push it more. Reinstall the C-clamp. Rotate it and make sure it stops on its locking place. Now that everything is secured, gently pull the rubber boot. Now you have a nice solid shifter linkage. This is how it looks like before and after. I hope you like it and find this video helpful. If it does, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to keep you updated whenever I release a new video. As always, thank you for watching and God bless.